From the centrifuge to the consumer, precision in every step of the process. The chilled stainless steel pipes carry the stabilized blood towards pre-filtration. A worker adjusts the flow, ensuring the
cells.
The protein profile is stable?
Yeah, we can increase the RPM.
Agreed. Target the high yield for the BP-30.
The B-stream holding area ensures the stabilized porcine blood is kept in suspension within these slowly rotating tanks.
The sanitized pipes carry the blood through a cryogenic tunnel, rapidly reducing the temperature to just above freezing, maximizing.
The chilled porcine whole blood enters the vacuum chamber, where dissolved gases are gently removed under negative pressure. The digital display confirms the liquid is almost perfectly clear, indicating highly efficient separation. The robotic nozzles rapidly dispense the sterile plasma, filling each 20-liter pouch with extreme accuracy and efficiency.
Following the production run of high-grade pork blood plasma, the system is flushed. The water clears, ensuring sterility before pausing operation.
Visual check complete on Unit 3. No contamination.
Confirmed. System ready for Process B.
The thick hemoglobin concentrate, model RC15, is dispensed with powerful strokes, filling the drum from the bottom up.
The sealed drums of porcine red blood concentrate, designated model RC15, proceed along the conveyor for automated labeling and coding.
The infrared scan confirms a consistent 25 degrees Celsius, optimal for preserving the hemoglobin concentrate.
The successful high-volume production of porcine red blood cells, model RC15. The scale of material.
The model RC porcine impurities requires meticulous handling. Heavy-duty restraints are secure. The heavy-duty robotic arm extracts a cohesive block of the RC15 hemoglobin concentrate, demonstrating its density.
The finished enriched feed product containing the dense RC feed packaged.
Emphasizing the high standards of modern agriculture, specialized ingredients like our dense red paste are vital to the global food supply chain.
The RC15 concentrate has made a real difference. The health metrics are excellent and the animals look fantastic.
The growth charts confirm superior metrics directly correlated with RC15. This translates to significant economic. From the farm to the final end user stage, the porcine hemoglobin concentrate, model RC15,